Hello all and welcome. Today we are covering rolling back the AMCore content using ePO. The first thing we need to know is the content version that ENS is currently running. As you can see here, it's version 3622. Next, we're going to run a client task on the system. Instead of going through the client task catalog and creating one, I'm just going to use the Run Client Task Now feature. Under the product column, select Endpoint Security Threat Prevention. Task type will be rollback AMCore content, and then we're going to click on Create New Task. Enter the unwanted version of the AMCore content here, in our case 3622, and then click Run Client Task Now. Next, you will wait for the system to communicate to ePO, send a wake-up call, or manually force the communication using the Agent Status Monitor. Once the task is completed, it has successfully rolled back the AMCore content version on the system. Thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to click that subscribe button.